Hey guys, it's Jake here again. I'm here with my brother Steph. What's up, Steph? Cheers.
Cheers.
He already cracked open the Bud Light. We are on Choke Canyon Reservoir with our 12-foot aluminum boat, powered by our 6.5 horsepower Hangkai. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos, maybe you'll know that I've had this motor for a few years, and some of y'all have been asking about like, how's it holding up? I will say a few months ago I had some issues with the carburetor needle, but right now it is running incredibly smooth. It has some new oil, and shit, might as well open her up, see how it goes. So this will be full speed again, 6.5 horsepower motor, 2 guys on a 12-foot boat, full speed.